Select General Ledger, select the trial balance. This is the key report that takes all the transactions in the accounting system and gives you the total per the General Ledger codes. It's broken up into 4 columns. You've got income and expenses, and you've got assets and liabilities. The minuses are all credits, and the pluses are all debits. You'll get a total of each column. For example, we've got 21,292, total of all the debits in the expenses. We've also got the total of the credits, which are the sales accounts. And you can see sales 21,318 and interest 32,777. The credits minus the debits gives you your profit and loss. In this case, we've got a profit or a credit total of minus 59,337. And on the right-hand side is a 0. This is the total of the trial balance. It's totaling all the pluses, minusing all the credits to give you a total of 0. In other words, the trial balance now balances. What you can do is go to any line item. For example, staff welfare. If you double click on it, it will ask you for period numbers, in this case 1 to 12, to give you the total of all the transactions that have been posted to the GL code E/SO4 with a total for the period, total monthly total. Period 1 was 2097, period 2 was 6220, period 3 1624. And in the balance column, you've got the year-to-dates. 2,000 plus the 6,000 gives you 8,000, plus the 1624 gives you 9943. And if you go to the bottom, you'll get the total year-to-date 58922. It will give you the total of your amount column, and it will give you the total that's in the trial balance. You can also filter on any one of columns. For example, if you want to filter on bank and cash, select bank and cash, category bank and cash, and you'll get all the accounts that make up the category bank and cash with a total of, in this case, credit, in other words, overdraft 769,871.76. What else? Other important options are you've got control totals. If you click on control totals, select the period number, the computer will give you the total of all the control total accounts, in this case the debtors, creditors, stock, bank and petty cash, and it will give you the total of all the ledgers that make it up and the difference between the two. It will also take all the bank and credit card accounts, give you a total on the trial balance and give you a total that's in the applicable accounts ledger and the difference between the two. In this case, we've got no differences, we've just got a 2 cents difference on the debtors control. Another option is the report option. If you click on it, you'll get a summary of all the income and expenses. For example, the income total is 21351, cost of sales is 13629, and the expenses are 7662. Income minus cost of sales gives gross profit, minus expenses gives net income, 59337. We've also got the total of all the assets, inventory, bank, debtors, accounts receivable, total of all your assets, 5942919, and this agrees to the equity less the liabilities, 5942919, which means that the balance sheet balances. On the right, if you select any of the options, you can see the total of all the income accounts, total of the cost of sales accounts, total of the expense accounts, and total of assets and liabilities. You've also got the trial balance in a single column. If you go Control-Shift-Y, there's a hidden column between E and G, column F, and you can open it up and you'll have your trial balance in a single column. You can take your trial balance, Control-Shift-E, export it into any file, and Save it, and you can use that to create any of your reports. Previous takes you back to the main menus, and you can continue with the accounting program.